Hi, I'm Florence Yen. I'm the Sales Master of Singapore Atomy. I'm very honored today to be able to come and share with you one of the signature products of Atomy, and that is hemoHim. Now, I'm going to talk about three parts about hemoHim. The first part is, what is hemoHim? The second part is, how did hemoHim come about? And the third part is, how do we apply hemoHim? Now, first of all, let us look at what exactly hemoHim is. You can see over here, Atomy has a hemoHim that comes in a big box like this. Inside the big box, there are 10 of these smaller boxes, and inside this small box, we have 6 sachets of hemoHim that packs this way. Now, what is inside of this sachet is very simple. You can see this glass of so-called a liquid. It is black in color because it comes with the form of a paste. You can actually take it off, like tearing it off, and squeeze it into it and suck it, or you can mix with water and drink it. Now, why do we want to talk about hemoHim today? It is important because it awakes your immune system. Before we talk about awakening of immune system, let's understand what is immunity. Now, every one of us have immunity. What exactly it would do? Simply, it looks at recognizing pathogens in our body. Now, what is pathogens? They are virus, they are bacteria. If you have a good immune system, your body will recognize these pathogens and kills it. But over a period of time, our immune system starts to drop. And this is where we will have challenges looking at how to get rid of all these bacteria and viruses. As they enter in the bodies, they will hurt us if we don't get rid of it. Okay. So now, at least now you know the functions of hemoHim is to awake our immune system. As we move on, it is important to know how did hemoHim come about. And this is where today I want to share with you the development of hemoHim. Let's begin to recognize hemoHim is a food supplement that is supported by Korea, the Ministry of Food and Drug Administration. And it has undergone at least 8 years of research, and a bunch of money or finances have gone into this research that has created such a good system today that enables the awakening of our immune system. Now, let's look at this chart here. I want to share by telling you where the formation of hemoHim. Basically, it comes from the food and the biotechnology itself from Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute. These scientists and even professors have undergone 3 substances. Okay? I will share with you the substances later. But it's important that these substances were looked at from a biodefense science as well as a radiation technology point of view and constructed a new systems called hemoHim. Well, you may say, in that case, when the research was done, how was it then produced? Now, most of you who knows Atomy will know about our Coma B&H company. Not only do they do research work, they also do production. Bearing in mind, we are talking about a state-of-the-art technology here, looking at the biodefense and looking at radiation. So over a period of time, this scientist has come out with this new substance called hemoHim. Now, obviously, anything comes from science requires tests. And I'm very happy to share with you many tests has been done on this product, such as tests that is done by MFDS, stand for the Ministry of Food and Drugs society. In a way, it is recognized by Korea government that this is safe to be consumed. In fact, through this test, it is now called a food supplement. How wonderful it is. Well, the word hemoHim, may I just say, hemo stands for hemoglobin, which means we're talking about the blood. H stands for hemopoiesis, which talks about the modulation of the blood. And I guess many of you have guessed it right, that is immunity. It increases the immunity, and modulation, which is the letter M, modulates the blood. Now, can you imagine if a body is substantiated with good blood regulation, high immune system, that means you have a healthy body. And I think most of you have known to stay healthy is to have a good immune system. Well, now I want to further go on to explain to you what are the components that inside hemoHim. Well, take a look at this. Like I said before, there were 3 components. In fact, these raw materials are very common. We have the angelical redex, we have the transhion, and we have the pioneer. Now, I think we need to understand, today these 3 raw materials have been reproduced to become a new substance, and this new substance has a very special function to increase our immune system, and it has undergone a lot of research through biological engineering and radiation technology.